Hi, this is Mel B with 60 Up Beauty, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and the bell to get future videos. So I noticed in one of my first videos that there was a close-up when I was editing, and I looked at it, and this decolletage area of my chest just looked crinkly, crepey, creepy. Yeah, all of those. That's what it looked like to me. Now, I have done really good in my past growing up. Of course, I'm 60 plus now, but in the past, you know, bathing, putting iodine and stuff into baby oil. Of course, I did that. I was young teenager, and that's what we did for tanning lotion. But as I got older, I did understand that I really needed to protect my face. And talk to me about it. I'll tell future other stories about, you know, a mentoring type of person that I had when I was young that really talked to me about taking care of your skin simply by wear a hat, put on some sunglasses, and keep it covered. Well, I got an A+ on that. But when it came to my body, baking in the sun, getting into a tanning booth, we didn't know that it was going to cause problems later on. We baked away, and what happens with that is that I should have applied the same idea to the rest of my body. I think I would say I got an F+ on tanning my body. I did a lot of it. I really seen the changes and the effects of that going on in my skin from here down. Get into a tanning bed, put a towel over my face, and just bake away. It's had its damaging effects, and so I really suggest if you're young out there and hearing this, don't do it. Wear the fake stuff. It's beautiful. You can get that glowing tan and look fantastic without the sun. This is my Friday favorites video, and in this Friday favorite video, this product, and I'm going to do, because the very first video I ever did, when I was looking back at it, there was kind of a shot of my chest, like I was filming, and from the side view, it looked really bad, and I thought, oh my gosh. So I was shopping for some things at the drugstore, and I came upon this from NIVEA, a couple of products. This is NIVEA. Let's see if I can get it in there close. And it has just been a fantastic product, and it's these little ampules, and it's take that top off, and you put it on. I was just amazed. There's two gone, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one today. See, you just break the little tube, the top of it off. You just break that off. I lost the little plastic sleeve that came with it. Do it so easy. So I just used a washcloth and held the top and cracked it off. This little gem here, I'm going to put some on, and maybe I'll show that picture of where it looks so bad. I've done it twice already and have seen such an improvement. So I'm just going to pour this. There's no way to save it all, right, to save any, because there's not like a little stop or anything. So I'm just going to use it all. So I'm just going to put that on here. And on my neck, because I got a creepy neck. The neck was the other thing. Wasn't really super good about protecting from the sun. Give it some upward strokes, like that. Rub this in nicely. It feels so good going on. It's so silky smooth. It doesn't feel sticky. I'll go ahead and put a little bit on my face. I'll take a close-up picture of that in the same angle, so that you can see what it looked like, the difference between the first video where you get that shot of it looking so bad to this visually in the camera or the mirror. You can really see that it's a nice silky finish of my skin. And even if, you know how, check yourself out, if you crunch up like that to see what your decolletage looks like, see if it looks all creepy or wrinkly, which what mine's doing. And this, even when I crunch up like that, it's just so much smoother. It's amazing. I think I'll go in and dab a little bit around here and around here where I know I'm getting some crinkling of my skin. Right here in the middle, around my lips. And I'll just finish, that's the rest of it. I'm going to finish the rest on my neck, and makes the decolletage here so supple, so soft. It's amazing. Here's the before picture, and here's the after picture. Another product I'd like to share with you today is Catrice, and I'm going to be doing a full face Catrice. This is for Prime and Fine. It's a velvet smooth primer with soft focus effect, makes pores and fine lines invisible, use alone or under makeup for a long-lasting, flawless finish. And I have to say, I have several that I use or have used. This is one I've been using for quite a while, called Mineral Infused Face Primer. I like the e.l.f. The NYX. I'm gonna have to say it's just not my favorite right now. It works okay, but this particular one, Good by Pores, I'm gonna show you probably part of the difference. Look how nicely that came out. It's just so nice and smooth. I like to put it up here on my forehead. It's a primer, it's a pore filler, it blurs. I put some moisturizer on, so we do want to matte that down some and go over it. So when I do put on some makeup, but it's so smooth, and you can just feel that smooth. Your fingers just glide over this. You just see the matte, defying, pore filling, blurring effect that this Catrice is called Good by Pores. We saw how smooth it was coming out, and this NYX, see, it just kind of blurps out. The first time I opened it to put some out, almost kind of grainy like. It just, see what it does? Not happy with that one. This is number 3. And this was one, I don't know what I was expecting, except that they did call it, it's called a 3-in-1 eye care concealer, and it's a part of their cellular filler. And I have to say, with all concealers, I always feel like it's going on thick, and I feel like later it just begins to drift down from underneath my eyes. This was something when I tried it that it was instant effective. Instant effective. I have to say it one more time. It was instantly effective. It comes with a little sponge tip and like a pin. You click it to pump it down into the sponge. And it was a product that when I put it on, I had instant wow moment. And that's why I have to share this as a favorite Friday. Putting it on like that, and sweeping it up here. I'm just going to use my finger and tap it in. Again, it glides on so smooth and effortless. And I usually go in after I put my makeup on as well. It's so light, and literally some of these lines under my eyes disappear. The difference is that it's so thin and so light, like they claim, it's going in and filling in. I'm going to put some right here too. There's just I have a little place here where some deeper wrinkles have formed. I do frown sometimes. I'm trying not to on video, but I think it has to do because my eyesight stuff. Start looking at things like checking it out. And after I do my makeup, I usually then will dab on a little bit more, let this dry down some and set. But it is just a beautiful finish. The other thing you can do is go around your nose. I like to go down the nose and see these little frown lines in the corner. And there is a way, which I'll show you in a video, where you can do your makeup. So if you have a resting frown face, you want more of a smiling, even resting. So there's a way to do it, and be sure and hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you'll be able to see the video I do on giving your mouth a resting upturn so it's not shadowed. So there, that product is so soft and so smoothly, it just glides on. This is number 3 of my fabulous Friday finds at the drugstore. NIVEA Cellular Filler 3-in-1 Eye Concealer. Fabulous Friday finds. So just like that, our makeup's done. I hope you enjoyed today's Fabulous Friday finds, and I hope you join me again. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and don't forget, age does not define you. It's just simply a number. Bye, my darlings. Bye.